We have worked very hard to lower our own CO2 emission. It succeeded very well on our electricity use, basically with a close cooperation with a huge energy company called Vattenfall. All electricity we are having are coming from windmill, basically. And that means no CO2 emission here at the festival from electricity. As you can see behind us, we are putting up the light gear right now. And this is newest technology, LED lights, which saves a lot of the electricity use. Around half of the electricity will be saved this year from this stage, the biggest stage at Roskilde. At the Odeon stage, we this year call it the sustainable stage. And why is that? The whole area is full with organic and fair trade food and trade. And also at the stage we have this LED light saving half the energy. But the artists can also participate. They can make their statement into the climate campaign, or even choose only to eat vegetarian food or be transported by electricity cars. Before you come to the festival, you have been able to take green footsteps. That means if you take a step for the climate, you could get some advantages at the festival site. You could go by bike to the festival, or you can calculate your own electricity use back home or make a green party for your friends. If you do at least 3, we will reserve a huge and nice spot on the campsite. And more than 1,000 in our audience have done that so far. To make it possible for the audience to understand the climate situation, we have made a lot of, you could call them symbolic activities they can participate in. For example, you can go on a bike and make a lot of energy for your mobile phone. Or you can go in a bath, which only are warm if the wind is running. Or you can dance in a CO2 limbo to see how low can you get on emission, for example. So a lot of funny stuff to make the serious stuff go in.